Hi all, today we are going to see the operational video for TGBed Unistream solution. This is workstation login page. Here we can give the user credential and password to log into the workstation. After login to the workstation, we are on a KVM mode. From this down arrow, we can select the KVM menu. In this KVM menu, we have signals, presets, layouts in the bottom. Preset for the operator workstation presets, and operators can select any of the presets. Preset 1 for the workstation PC1, 2 for the workstation PC2, 3 for the workstation PC3 and 4 for the workstation PC4. From here, any operator can choose any of the workstation PC. Here I am opening one workstation PC. Okay, once we open the workstation PC, initially keyboard and mouse is in a KVM mode. We have to invoke it back to the PC mode to enable the keyboard and mouse on that particular PC. Hotkey to invoke this keyboard and mouse to PC mode and KVM mode, you can use Ctrl+M. When we select a PC from this workstation, left side monitor will show the 4 display output from this workstation, and right side monitor will show the primary display of that particular workstation. As we mentioned before, the Ctrl+M shortkey that we can use to switch between this PC mode and the KVM mode. The KVM mode will provide you the functionalities of the KVM, that is the selection of the PCs or that video wall profile selection all in the KVM mode, and the PC mode will allow us to work with the PC. If we want to drag and drop this web browser, or we need to open a tab, camera selection, everything is from the PC mode. Here you can see now we enable this PC mode, and I am selecting a window. I am drag and drop it between multiple display output of that PC. Our solution offers this seamless switching of mouse and keyboard. When we move this mouse from one screen to another, automatically that keyboard and mouse switch to that particular PC. As informed before, left side monitor is a code view mode, and in case if any of this code session need to see in a full screen, just double click on that. It need to be happened in a KVM mode. Okay, after it will become a full screen, and again if you double click on that, it will back to that code view mode. Let's see the video wall operations from the operator side. We need to invoke it to the KVM mode first by pressing Ctrl+M. Once the KVM mode enabled, from the upper side we can see a push to menu. We can click on this push to menu, and there is a video wall option is there. Once we click on, and we can choose the video wall. In our scenario there is only one video wall, then we need to click on this video wall, and we can choose whether we need to send this individual display option or all the screens together to show one input as a video wall, or predefined presets for this video wall. We have already created 3 presets. Preset 1 is all screens are individual input, and preset 2 is all screen together showing as a one input source, and preset 3 will be all the input can be viewed from this video wall. First 4 screens will show the 16 input from 4 the workstation species, and the other 2 monitor on the right side will show individual input from any of this PC input. There is a shortkey for this video wall preset selection. Ctrl+1 for the individual screen preset. That means each screen we can put one input, and Ctrl+2 for this video wall mode. All the screen combined together we can show one input, and Ctrl+3 for this combined mode. All the 16 input from the PC can be viewed in this combined mode. In this combined mode, we are divided this video wall into 2 sessions. In the left side 2x2 session will show all the 16 input by adding 4 input per screen, and right side 2 screens that each screen is working as an individual one, and any of this required input can be pushed to that right 2 screens. This all about the combined video wall preset. Now I will show you to push a content to the video wall. First I need to invoke to the KVM mode, then select the required presets. Here I am going to push a content to a individual screen preset, that is control 1. I need to press control 1, then the video wall layout change to the individual video wall screen mode. In this individual I can push each screen one input like that. Okay, then I need to click on this upper menu, then push to, then go to the video wall. From this video wall I need to select the window. Okay, I need to select which window I need to push this particular input. I need to select the window, then press on this push to. Same I am doing for other windows also. Once I set all these windows, then I can save it as a preset by giving a preset name, and for the future operations I can choose this presets. For all other presets also I am showing how to switch this input to the video wall.